Piper. Today we're going to be making carbonara. Now, if you've seen some recipes on YouTube, you might think it's very difficult to make. That's not the case here. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make it.
Okay, what you'll need is olive oil, 2 eggs, room temperature with 2 extra yolks, salt, pepper, chili flakes, parmesan, Asiago, a clove of garlic peeled, and 6 ounces of roast beef, and any meat will do. Make sure that's just very thin. Okay, first off, we're going to cook the pasta. But first of all, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil into the boiling water, and then we're going to add a shit ton of salt. Okay, then we're going to get our pasta. So now we're going to put our pasta. We're going to twist it so it doesn't stick together. And in she goes. So now we're going to turn on our bottom right heat source and put it on medium heat. Once your pan is heating up, put a little bit of pepper in your eggs. Then add your cheeses. And now mix it up. Okay, now this is an option, but you can add a little bit of chili flakes to your eggs. Once your pan is hot, put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now spread the olive oil around. If the pan is not hot, the oil will not spread. Now use 6 ounces of roast beef or pancetta, and if you hear it sizzling, that means you're doing it right. Now get your spoon and mix it up. Now you're going to get a plate of any size and put your beef in it. Now get a very, very thin spatula and check on the pasta. If it's good, turn off the heat. So now put some more olive oil in the pan. So now drain the water from the pasta and keep the pot at an angle. Now turn off the heat from the pan and spread the olive oil. Now put your pasta in the pan. Now get some pasta water from your pot and put it inside the pan so the pasta won't dry out. Now mix it up. Now get your eggs and cheese mixture and put it in the pasta. Now mix in your eggs in the pasta. Now crunch your garlic inside the pasta. Now add in your roast beef. Now mix it up. Now add in your pepper and chili flakes.
This is how you make carbonara.